Ayan, pipila kami guys sa pahabang pila mula sa simula. Mula doon sa likuran. So, pipila kami dito. Wala kami kaplano-plano na pumasok dito actually. Instant lang guys. So, ayan. Grabe yung grabe yung kailangan mong linyahan kapag pagkabahaba. So, we're checking the food here guys in Malaysian food court. Like Penang yeah. Just checking only the food guys. But it's look like different. There's laksa, there's a curry, chicken curry, dim sum porridge. It's look like same as the outside food. So we just check it out only guys. Welcome to the Universal Studio. We are here, Universal Studio. Expensive I thought we go to the Sea Aquarium. Ang dami ng tao guys sa Universal Studio ang aga-aga. So pupunta daw kami sa Sea Aquarium. Papasok kami. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Napaka-crowded na guys. So punta kami doon sa Sea Aquarium. Hindi pa ako nakapasok doon. So buti naman nag-aya si ma'am na pupunta kami doon. Papasok daw kami. Kasi hindi pa rin daw siya nakapasok. So let's see guys. Beautiful ice cream. What's the blue one? I like the blue one. Vanilla. Yeah.
You don't want chocolate?
No, I don't want chocolate. Yeah, it's a food truck guys. Look at the one. From Barcelona to Singapore. This is from Barcelona. Yeah, look at the one. From Barcelona to Singapore. Yeah. What's the the back one? Okay. Oh yeah. We are at the back of this guys. Take a look in the front. Wow, this one's very nice. What is this?
Yeah, see?
The Kati roll. What's the best? The bestest Kochi rolls in the world. Barcelona. This one?
I think we might hear.
But are you sure? This is not aircon. Oh, ayan guys. Hindi allow dito kakain guys. So ano ba? So later, update later guys. Where's Sea Aquarium ba? Yatsu Sea Aquarium and Adventure Cove. So bili kami ng ticket guys dito. Pasok sa Sea Aquarium. Dito ang bilihan ng ticket. Ayan. Pasok na kami guys sa Sea Aquarium. We purchased 2 tickets. The ticket is worth of $44 each. Wow, nowadays very expensive already. So we're going there.
I will be enjoying the cool air.
Yeah. Yes, we are here.
Yes.
We are here to see aquarium. Wow, what this one? Tourists There's tourists here. Wow, tourists. Also kiddies. Kiddies. Okay, papasok na kami guys. Harap kami ng entrance ng Sea Aquarium. I think this is the Sea Aquarium. Kami guys sa pahabang pila mula sa simula. Mula doon sa likuran. So pipila kami dito. Wala kami kaplano-plano na pumasok dito actually. Instant lang guys. So ayan. Grabe yung grabe yung kailangan mong linyahan kapag pagkabahaba. So we are here to the Sea Aquarium guys. Napasok kami. So ito na yun. Wow, the fish. Look at the fish. Huh? Wow, there's a shark. The different kinds of these guys. Wow. Actually very crowded. Look at that. It's really crowded. A lot of tourists. So big. So big the fish. So continue kami sa loob, guys. Sea turtle rehabilitation and release. What is that? Photo. Look at the one.
See the rehab.
A turtle.
The turtle and they release them back to sea.
Oh. This turkeys
Yeah,
one.
they rehabilitate.
Yeah. Ayan, it's shaking. Ayan, diretso lakad, guys. Zebra sharks. Vanda and Hope. Huh? The shark?
No, this is
It's
a
replicas of zebra shark.
and egg
Pop and egg
cases.
cases.
That's egg.
Is that egg? This is an egg.
Yeah. And then it comes out like that.
It's like a turtle. Hindi makita, guys. School of fish. What is this? Trigger fish. Hindi makita. Hindi makita masyado yung money fish. So, ayan sila. Ang dami nila. For what? What is that? Nola. That's a what? Nola. That's the fish. Discovery pool. No, Nida. We're just looking. Looking. Look at that. There are a lot of fish. Different kinds of fish. Slow. Yellowfin. Yellowfin surgeon fish. Yeah. Where's Elmo? I want to buy Elmo. Yeah, I want the Elmo one. Wow, it's so cute, this one. Look at the one.
What's it eating? Something
Huh?
from the
There's a food.
coral.
There's a food
Yeah.
there.
I don't know.
Wow. Oh, I like the one. Oh, why you're so fast to swim? I like this yellow one. Yeah, so cute. Look at that. So cute.
Black and white one.
Huh? What?
Kasi na po siya.
I hold you. Can? More, lower down.
Sit down, I can't get up.
I will pull you, I will pull you. Sit down lang. It's okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay.
After they choose me out,
No, it will. This one is for sitting, ma.
no, not really. Okay, I'll get
Look at the kids, for playing, Fluorescent reef. Wow. Wow, nearer, go nearer. Why? Go nearer,
These are fish that live in the coral.
Huh.
Maybe just now is where we go.
Wow. This is the same as the... What do you call this?
Violet.
Huh? Is this the one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I like this. I think they're called
Phylum Echinodermata. I don't know.
this is a zebra.
Which one?
This one.
The yellow
Yeah,
one?
with the stripes.
With stripe?
I don't know. I think so.
Dito kami sa kanilang store, guys. Look at this. What is this? Squid. Sotong. Sotong stuffed toys. They're shark. Kanilang key holder. Is that key holder? Yeah. Gift stuff. Oh, look at Elmo here. It's Elmo. Ayan, may turtle. Gift stuff nila dito. Gift stuff store nila dito, guys. Flew with the currents. Oh yeah, there is. Is it going up?
Oh, yeah, it's going up.
Sigillus. What is this? What is that?
Sea anemone.
Huh? That one?
Oh, that is sea urchin.
It's alive, ma.
Yeah, they're all like.
Look at this.
That one
Huh?
is not a sea urchin.
Oh, cold water.
Anemone.
Cold water anemone. It's so dark, another one. It's on. Look at that.
You know, they have control.
Look at that.
Yeah, they have the control.
There's another chili there. What are they talking about? So loud. Look at that. Jelly, yeah. See jelly also. Yeah, but white color one. Yeah, dami nila guys sa sea chili. Yeah, I like the
It's like you got polka dots on the outside.
Open ocean habitat. Andito na kami. Oh, this is the big aquarium, right? Yeah. Manta rays at rest.
Look out for these two fins. These two fins are called cephalic lobes. Listen up, only manta ray. Only manta ray have these two fins. Because manta ray, the mouth is right in front. Stingray, the mouth is underneath. So when they are eating, they will open up the fins like that. When they are not eating, look at that. They will curl up like that, like a horn. Now, children, put your hand on your head. Now we are manta ray. When I say eating, what must you do? Open, right? When I say not eating is curl up. I say eating. Not eating. Eating. Not eating. Eating. Not eating. Now, one more time. Eating. Not eating. Very good. Right. Now, children. And
গোলটা একটা আছে মুখখোলা, ওটা হচ্ছে মেন্টারে, এই যে যেটা যে পাখির মতো উঠতেছে এটাকে বলে মেন্টারে, যেটা পাখির মতো বলে না বলে এটা হচ্ছে মেন্টারে, আর গোলটা হচ্ছে সিঁড়ি, এটা হচ্ছে গ্রুপার।
Oh, just the color of the aquarium is like a little bit blurrish. It's blurrish, right? Yep. The kids is enjoying.
We are enjoying too.
Yeah. This one is
I like the guide to the,
then the what is this?
sorry.
The river wonder last time. Ah, elephant fish. Elephant fish. This is elephant fish.
Yeah.
Why only one?
Only one.
Yeah.
Inside another one.
Oh, inside
There's another one.
there's a big there. Wow. What is this? Butterfly fish. This butterfly fish. Meron silang Aquarest Lab. Oh, this is the lab that they were doing the what is this? The water, everything, right? I think everything.
The jellyfish also.
Huh?
No, the young jellyfish is there.
Oh yeah. What they doing everything here, right? Cannot go in there. Cannot what?
No, we can that way you see here, no?
Yeah. They have what do you call it? Microscope, right?
Microscope.
Yeah. So,
Oh, there is.
huh?
Visit back of house facilities, uncover the science and care behind the scenes Aquarius lab tour.
Lab tour. Oh yeah. So this is can go inside, right? With the lab, with the tour, Aquarest lab tour.
Yeah. It's hiding there.
So small. I can't really see.
Oops.
What is it?
I don't know. He's cleaning the shelves.
Cleaning the shell.
Reorganizing it.
Oh.
Okay lang.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
Razor fish.
This is the razor fish. Look at that.
Like they're standing up.
Yeah. How about this another one? The black one.
Oh.
What is that? Black one. Huh?
Wait. What's that with the
There we
fingers
did, huh?
behind?
There's another
No,
one.
what's that with the fingers behind?
Where?
Inside.
Oh. I don't know eh. Okay. Huh?
Shrimp.
Oh, shrimp, shrimp, shrimp.
Pipefish.
And Jan's pipe. Is that pipe fish?
Jan's pipefish.
Yeah. Oh, can put together into razor fish. So dito, is this lionfish? Yeah. Ito naman lionfish, guys. Ayan. Eh, ang ganda nila. Laki-laki. Atoll. Ha? The one?
The various time. What's the time now?
1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Oh, 11 a.m. haba.
What time is it now?
What time? So hard to book ah. It's really beautiful this one,
Next
huh?
time, if I book on the $45 again.
Yeah.
I did try to book on maybe at the hotel. Where's my bill? Yeah.
Senior chest. Wow, even the one so really beautiful, the colorful.
Okay, go to the counter.
Yan, palabas na kami guys. Tapos na namin ikutin yung buong sea aquarium. So, lalabas na yung Patch Reef. Singapore Coast. So, ayan, palabas na kami guys. Dito, tapos na kami. Away na kami. Ay, hindi pa pala kakain kami. Tapos, babalik pa yata kami. Ewan ko kung babalik pa kami kasi gusto niya pumasok dun sa lab test ng mga fish. So, ayan, dito na kami palabas na. Ayan, iba't ibang shark. About 100 million shark are caught yearly due to the shark teeth. Ito guys, yung mga tagalinis at nagme-maintain sa loob ng aquarium. Andyan sila ngayon. Ayan. Ito. Is that a shark?
Yes, that's true.
Oh. Ayan, divers. Yeah. What is that? What is that? Oh, what is this? That one? Nah? What is that? Oh, the bubbles? Oh. Yeah, bubbles. Amazing. Hello. Amazing. Yeah. Dalawa.
तो फिश बिचारा खालीच बसलाय की काय करायचं
They have crack plates and figurines inside. Yeah.
आता एक फिश
I think they are all. This one is a lady. I think they are all lady. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like a ship, right?
Where?
It's
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, treasure.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so very big. Oh, this is the different to the other big aquarium also, right? Yeah, Hema? This one, this aquarium is different one or same?
With what?
With the one that would go in the upper level.
It's the same.
Same, ah? Oh.
I don't know how to segregate.
So cute.
There's someone there, see, picture there.
Ito na yung palabas, guys, sa si aquarium, yung discovery nila. Ha? Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. This is the science behind fluorescent corals. Look at that. This robot, ma.
Yeah, but why is it displayed here?
Careful, ah. Wait a minute. What is this?
Recycle.
Oh, recycle, ah.
Throw things in the sea, so they ask you to recycle.
Oh, okay.